out, yeah?
Lord. Sorry.
Which way?
I have no idea.
Piggy.
At least in our worst case you can go grab pizza.
Yeah.
I don't know what time everything's open till though.
I wish you now just looks out the way.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's because if it's closed, it looks like what if we don't have anything to eat.
What does that say?
9 p.m.
It's 7.
I think the pool's open over there. That's open now, I think.
Where are we going?
Over there, I think.
Over there?
Yeah. I think so.
Just asking. It's the adults only one, Alli. It's not very big.
Thank you. I can't wait. Man.
Do you want to sit over there, Al, and then grab a drink? Yeah? Do you want to sit just over there or something?
Yeah.
I don't know where you get a drink from, the bar here maybe?
This should have been the last few nights.
No, I want to see you.
Up to you.
Shopping, anything to drink?
Can we get 2 lava flows, please?
Sure. Anything else for now?
That's it for the second. Thank you. What was that?
This is perfect.
It doesn't matter where you go, does it? At the moment we're off the hook. They've got all different, awkwardly open. All different appetizers, drinks. We just ordered 2 of them. Even their prime steak isn't bad, but I'm kind of leaning towards the lobster roll. You got your beers. Beer's definitely a lot cheaper, like anywhere. Alli with all of her stitch.
Yeah.
But it's so beautiful tonight. Considering it's been raining so much lately.
I don't know about that. We can go check them out. Medium steak.
Okay, so this is more about day one. We're still at Off the Hook. We are here with Alli's 20 million stitch things. I'll just grab a quick photo for social.
They're so pretty.
Look up. Not up. Look, not up. Look.
She turned the lights on.
Yeah, but look at the camera. Even Stitch looked really happy in that picture. So anyway, we're at Off the Hook, and while he swims, we're gonna have some drinks, which were lava flows. I think that was $16 each, I think, which is pretty standard for a cocktail. So hopefully they're good. The best ones so far I've ever had were Turtle Bay. Turtle Bay ones were brilliant, which they'd want to be. So when Alli finishes her little bit of pineapple here, we'll try a little bit of drink. So don't you dare try it without a cheers. Cheers to us. Cheers. And let's try it. Okay, another 10 of these, I'm good to go.
10 out of 10.
The Mai Tais over at Monkey Pod were great, but these are sensational.
These remind me a lot of Turtle Bay.
Yeah, they're great because they're proper puree too, they're not chunky. When we got them at, is it Aulani, or however you pronounce it, resort that time, remember they were chunky?
Yeah.
They were gross. Like, they were bad. Like, I'll just say they were bad. But here, that is just incredible. So good.
10 out of 10.
So we're still kicking on first day. We'll order food for dinner soon. We've been over to Monkey Pod, we had entrees. And now we're just chilling by the pool. And we'll add this into our first day. Until then. I got a lobster roll. Did it come with anything else in it? Or just avocado?
Avocado, bacon.
Bacon and
got
fries.
No lettuce.
We're still drinking our drinks. Jesse got a, what was it? Just a cheeseburger. Got the cheeseburger going on, and Alli got
a lobster roll.
Lobster roll as well, with
but
fries.
with lettuce.
You got lettuce. Gross. Oop. Let's eat it up. See what it's like. Are you gonna take a bite of yours on camera, or you don't want to?
I can.
Go for it. You take a bite. Go camera. Say hi.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Good?
Oh, perfect.
The Stitch is still chilling. Alright, let's eat up. Okay, so we just finished dinner at Off the Hook, and it was great. It was no complaints, it was amazing, great food. We ended up with a cat, a little ginger cat, that hang out, and I'll put up a pic of it in amongst this. And he had lobster, and he had burger, and he loved life.
I don't think Tigger dance is too old. Yes, better than the camera.
As long as he's got his mama. Yeah.
Oh, let it go. I thought it just been.
So I think he was doing pretty well for a cat, to be honest. So I could definitely be a stray here if I got treated the same. So I'm just taking a quick little walk around the pool. This is a freaking big pool, to be honest. And this is one of like very many. There's like so many here. It's incredible. But I didn't expect it to be this big, this one. And I think Jesse said before it goes around through a cave and comes out the other side. That's crazy. But yeah, it's crazy how much water there is here, like in this park. It's definitely next level. There's a lot going on, plenty to do. It's pretty crazy for kids during the day, but it's a Disney resort. What do you expect? And it's water. It's somewhere that the parents can drink. Like, we've done a lot of drinking. Drink, eat, do what you want. And as you would have seen, lazy river, great. There's another little spa on there. Spas sort of everywhere. They're sporadic, all over the shop. So it's great. Love it. And I don't know where our cat went. See you later. I don't know how well this will film in this light because GoPros absolutely hate low light, but hopefully there's enough to get us through. You can hear Alli laughing. She's, as we say in Australia, pissed. She's drunk. But Jessie's having a meltdown. She wants to take the cat home, and we can't take a cat home, so it is what it is. I don't know if you can see it, but all the planes come in right there, and they all come in very low over this resort, but it's kind of cool. We'll keep walking for a sec. Adults only pool. There's a view of the ocean. There's a plane. And now you're going to be night walking with me. I'm not sure where they're going.
Your mum was ready to call you because she lost you.
Yeah, I went the wrong way.
Alright.
So, where are we going in
Jesse
here
wants
first?
to go up and get his phone.
Oh, the one up top.
Yeah.
It kind of felt that way. It kind of felt like she wasn't too phased by them, you know what I mean? I doubt it'd be out there. Just checking, making sure. So.